E-commerce platform, check. Store hosting, check. Products, check. Marketing, not checked. So you have all the fundamentals in place to start your beauty product store, but don't know where to begin with email marketing. Let's break this down. What do you need first? Subscribers, the people you will be talking to. Once you connect your online store to Omnisend, By the way, Omnisend is completely free for unlimited time. No credit card required. Check out the link below for more information. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that. So once you connect your store to Omnisend, go to the form section. So let's select a pop-up type because we don't want to be too much out there with our beauty store. We need something minimalistic. So let's see. This should do pretty well. So this already looks quite all right, but what I would do is probably change the font a little bit to Helvetica and maybe emphasize the CTA a little bit more. Making it bold and making the font a little bit bigger. And that already looks pretty good for me, but you can add a bunch of more information over here, like radio buttons, checkboxes, drop down, change the targeting, etc. The possibilities are nearly limitless. But for me, it's okay, so let's enable that. Okay, so it didn't let me proceed because in order to collect SMS subscribers, we need to have a privacy policy link, and I do not have that at the moment, so I'm just gonna get rid of this step and only collect email addresses. So let's enable the form. So now that you're collecting subscribers, you would also need to welcome them. Go to the automation section. Let's click on create workflow, and we already have 2 welcome automations to choose from. The only difference is this one is only 1 email, and this one is email plus SMS. For us, let's just go with the simple option and let's click on email. So let me explain what you're seeing over here. So the subscribers enter the workflow when they sign up via the Omnisend form. And then once they do, the workflow waits for 1 minute and then it sends the welcome email, which you can edit the content of over here. So let's go ahead and see that email. And this is what the email is going to look like. So because I'm on a Shopify store, the discount code will be generated automatically for me. If you're on a different platform, you might need to create one manually and then enter it here. If you feel like it, you can get rid of this block entirely and not offer a discount code for your new subscribers right away. You can just send it a welcome aboard and have some text. By the way, speaking of text, we can use our AI assistant to generate some sort of text. Elegant way of thanking your new subscribers. Something like that. Excellent, sounds pretty good. So let's finish editing. And once that's done, let's start the workflow. Excellent, so now you're turning your site visitors into subscribers and welcoming them to your mailing list. Now it's time to turn those subscribers into buyers. Let's go to the campaign section and let's start our new campaign. So create campaign, let's select email, and let's use AI assistant to create a subject line for us. Let's announce a early summer sale. And we can pick one of the options over here. So we pick this one. We don't have to do this one. So now that we have this set up, let's go and choose an email template. So we can also choose something minimal for our beauty store. And let's see what we have here. Okay, and I found a pretty good looking template. So let's select summer discounts. Okay, so this is the email that we're going to use. First things first, of course, there's this text that says your logo. So in this case, we would need to enter our own logo. In my case, I do not have it. And let's see what the rest of the email says. So it's got a pretty good looking design. We can adjust the text if we see the need to. And of course, we also need to add our own logo over here. But because these are just placeholder products that we have in the template itself, let's pick a product recommender from the side panel. So let's click over here and let's drag and drop the product recommender. So what product recommender does is it picks the products automatically for you. You don't even have to do anything. And you can adjust the number of products to show in each row and column. For example, let's have 3 columns and 3 products to show. And it's automatically going to populate all of the information. Product name, product description, image, everything. And I'm pretty satisfied with the email, so let's save and choose the recipients and choose our all subscribers, which in my case is 1, but we'll get there. And let's review the campaign. Okay, and the last step is to click on send now and let Omnisend do the work for you. And ka-chow, your beauty store is about to get the recognition it deserves. And while other forms of advertisement should not be overlooked, email ranks among the highest in terms of ROI. As the president of INGLOT Canada said, in terms of ROI, even if we spend the same amount or much more on social media or any other type of advertising, email always brings the highest revenue. And bring the highest revenue it did. Check out Omnisend's success story of INGLOT Canada, a beauty store just like yours, with the link below. Thanks for watching and stay beautiful, marketers.